Hey YouTube, what's going on? Definitely been a while, not going to deny that, but we're back and hopefully we're going to really bring this channel to life here this year. So for this video, it's actually going to be the first room tour of 2020, and since the last one, which I will put a card somewhere up here, I think, maybe linking to the last one if you haven't seen that. There's definitely been some changes, so you'll see that in this video. So let's go ahead and get on with it. Okay, so we'll go ahead and we will start over in this corner. So that sign I don't believe was there in the last video, but we found that in the shed, so I figured wall decoration hanging on the wall. So as you can see, I got a whole bunch of stuff going on over here. Best precision screwdriver set I have ever owned so far. Probably definitely does not compare to anything like an iFixit kit, but 2 knives in just a bin full of just random stuff. A little bit of air freshener, glasses cleaner, screen cleaner, a bottle of that, the complete collection of House MD, some spare hard drives and whatnot. My printer that I got on sale actually at Staples for like $2.99. Regular price was $5.49 at the time. So that's the print model I have. Currently I'm using it wireless. I am going to just buy a box of cable and run it, and then run a line over here for it. So that is that corner. We just use this dresser as there's no real closet space kind of to hang or store bedding. So we just store bedding, some off-season clothes like winter coats and stuff in there in the winter. Okay, so over here I have my LG 55-inch HDR full smart TV, which I'm currently just streaming one of my videos on YouTube. Right underneath the TV, I have a Samsung soundbar. I've had this for a couple years now. And on the shelf below, you have the Spider-Man PS4 Pro with a 6 terabyte external hard drive there. And then this is for the PlayStation VR. And, well, that's just your plain Jane old cable box. Nothing too fancy there. And over here, this was actually a Christmas gift. It charges 2 PlayStation 4 controllers, 2 of the Move controllers, the PS4, the ones for the PS4, even though your PS3 Move controllers will work. And then the headset itself, and the cord is just wound up at the back. It's perfect. It keeps it all nice and organized. Down below, I just have bins, one for like mail, chargers, and various different cords. One for like PlayStation game system accessories, and then just 2 for random computer bits. And then down here I just have a small assortment of some of my power tools. I do not leave them out in the shed in the winter. And then over there, old disc-based PC games, disc-based PS4 games, Blu-rays, DVDs, old music CDs, I believe. That drawer is somewhat empty because I have been ripping them into a digital file as I'm in the process of putting together like a Plex server so I can just stream it that way instead. You know, some family photos and whatnot. And I'm going to be putting some of my trophies in here once we get everything fully cleaned out of it. So over here you don't got much. You have just a tote full of cords, wires, extra little tidbits and whatnot of PC stuff. The Logitech G27. My bag that usually has my laptop in it when I'm not using it. And just a bunch of stuff that I really don't use when I'm here, but I take when I take the bag. Some PS2, GameCube games, a big old teddy bear, and just a bunch of stuff just tucked away in the corner. Little love seat, perfect for just me and the wife if we want to watch movies in here. That is from the NZXT Switch 810, which I'm actually going to be probably doing some paint work on, cleaning it up, maybe making a few modifications. Might do a video on it. Probably will. That has the original Xbox in it. The original PS2 is not in there. It's out. We were playing the Playboy game on it. The newest addition to the family. A rascal. He's 7. He's 7. He's a good boy. So that's really all for that little section. And to the best, my opinion, the best part of the whole room. And this is probably the best part of the room. So this is the various different chargers that I will use. So I got my phone one dangling down there. I have a wireless charger beside the bed. This one charges most modern devices. So does this one. This one's for my tablet. I do have one here for a iPod 30 pin because I do use my iPod quite a bit. I actually used it at work, just so I'm not destroying my phone. You got one of the speakers for the Logitech Z906. There's the remote. You got Corsair keyboard, mouse, and mouse mat. I don't remember all of the model numbers, but I will leave them in the description. That's an I/O shield for the Plex server, control panel. So that's definitely one of the biggest changes from last year to this year, or the last room tour video to this one. I've gone up to dual 24s. They are AOC FreeSync. They're only 1080, but I really don't need more than 1080. There's not anything like 120 hertz or 144. They are 75 hertz panels, but for me anyways, I'm alright with that. And the new computer itself, no, I didn't go and pre-clean or do anything weird. This is how the room normally is. The inside of the system itself is spotless. I clean the dust filters weekly. Also keep in mind this is a system that is on 24/7. The specs will be in the description below. And there's a laptop. I'm actually using it to rip my DVDs. I just swapped out the drive with another one, installed Ubuntu, and went from there. And that's the project sitting back there. There's going to be no videos on that. There might be one, more so setting everything up than anything else. And my 2 terabyte external drive just kind of hidden back there. So that is everything. And if you're wondering, that is my old license plate off my old truck. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, feel free to hit that subscribe button, as well as hit that little notification bell to be notified when I go live or make new posts or upload new videos. As well as my social media links are in the description below, so don't forget to go ahead and give those a follow as well.